Question. What is something that is relieving to me but is offensive to others? Answer. Burps and farts. Burps, which are just a physiological activity, show signs of difference between Korea and the Philippines. Burping after a meal conveys a message saying it was a great meal, meaning that both the food and the people that ate together were satisfactory. Burps also work as a sign of gratitude for the food in the Philippines, which is mostly Catholic. However, burping in public in Korea is a very disrespectful act. Korea, which has Confucian idealism embedded in its culture, has unique table manners. A Confucian document from the 1700s highlights that one must not burp in front of others, and this rule is still valid in the present. A physiological phenomenon that everyone experiences shows signs of gratitude and satisfaction in the Philippines, while it is intolerable in Korea. Culture. A different phenomenon, but the same in its roots.